Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be unboxing a few things that I received as a gift and the things that I purchased. And I hope that you like this video and will find it interesting. By the way, guys, please consider subscribing to my channel, give this video a thumbs up and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is the same as my YouTube account, which is black and gold style. And please also consider checking out my other playlists. I have posted quite a few videos about Dior, jewelry, weekly vlogs, style and fashion, Chanel bags, luxury shopping vlogs, beauty products, and travel videos. I will start with unboxing the gifts that I received from Marina Bay Sands and Fendi. And a small disclaimer, this video is not sponsored. I received these goodies as a client and I'm very excited. It's super sweet and it's so nice to receive these gifts in a lockdown, at least something positive. These are chocolate coated macadamia nuts, which is so nice, and they have orange flavor. And this is kombucha, and I love Fendi logo. This is so cute. And this is some kind of alcoholic cocktail. I don't really drink alcohol, but I will try this one. When I received a text message from Fendi about delivery, I definitely did not expect them to send me these goodies. This is so sweet of them. I'm so using this syrup with my banana pancakes next time. And this is truffle flavored salt. And I think this is tea. Let me open it. I can't wait to try it. And this is how it looks and it smells so good. I'm so trying it on later. And I think this is a chocolate bar. Yep. Looks good. And this is the stickers for nails with Fendi logos. So cute. This is so nice of Fendi. I like it. And cookies. Who doesn't like cookies? I love this. I'm gonna try it later. And I think this is a candle. I love scented candles and this one smells so good. So sweet of Fendi and MBS. Alright, let's begin the unboxing of the purchases. And actually I purchased the Gucci item first and then I was waiting for Fendi's item to be altered. So I will start with Gucci. Actually, I recorded this unboxing first. And this is the receipt that came with the purchase. I like that Gucci uses the box. This is so nice. With me, it's all about the packaging. I like the visual presentation of the items. Okay, let's open it. I really like the quality and the design, and it's so perfect for Singapore air-conned areas. It's not too light and it's not too thick at the same time, which is perfect. Actually, I didn't really have anything on my wish list from Gucci, but I really love lilac and I think it goes so well with a few of my bags. I just had to have it. And I'm going to show you the style code in case you are interested in it. I will also show you how this sweater looks on me. And I will also add the link to the previous video when I went to Gucci and tried on a few things in case you want to check it out. I think this sweater is so versatile. It can be styled with my jeans, skirts, shorts, trousers, and it will look good with a few of my bags. I like this kind of versatile items and I know I'll be able to wear it for years to come. I also like this sweater in the raspberry color. It's so pretty. I'm still thinking about it. And I like that it's so light, just like the white one that I previously purchased. And the next item is from Fendi and it's actually my first purchase and I'm so excited about it. So let me show it to you. It's a ready-to-wear item, if you guys guessed. And I'm so glad that it was available in my size. I will open it. I like the color and I like the material. It's so good for Singapore weather. It's so light, and I feel like it's such a timeless item and it can be styled differently, and I think I'll be using it a lot. I like that the fabric is so light and it's easy to tuck it in my jeans and even trousers, and I could also wear it loose. I will also show to you guys how it looks on me when I went and tried it on. And let me show to you the buttons of the shirt up close. They actually have Fendi logos. They are so cute. I like all the details, and also the shirt has an inner layer that was also altered for me because it was too huge, and now it fits quite nice. Let me show to you the style code in case you are interested in this item and want to check it out in real life as well. And here is how this top looks on me. I really like it, and I altered these sleeves a bit. I'm going to post some pictures on my Instagram account, so if you guys are not subscribed, please consider to check it out. And I will also wear it with my gray flap that I wasn't using a lot lately, but I think with these two items I'll be able to wear it a lot. I think it looks so good with blue and with lilac colors. I think these two items match it perfectly. And I was also considering getting this shirt in a white color before, but unfortunately Fendi didn't have it in my size. I even was thinking about getting it in a bigger size and just alter it for me, but then I changed my mind. I don't prefer to alter items too much. And by the way guys, I have recently also purchased two items from Van Cleef and Arpels. I will record an unboxing video, so if you guys are not subscribed to my channel, please consider to do so. I actually was thinking initially to unbox them all together, but I want to extend this feeling. I was waiting to get one item for the longest time. It's a strange feeling because I opened one item right away and started wearing it, but I want to wait with the other one. I don't know, I just want to have something to look forward to, especially during this pandemic. Anyways, here is another top. Although it's not a luxury item, I still want to show it to you because I like the color and I think it's so cute. I will also style this sweatshirt and post a few pictures on my Instagram account. I like to post outfits of the days, so please consider to check it out. Anyways guys, this is it. I hope that you liked this video and found it interesting. Please consider giving it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. Have a great day and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!